I recently read in several authority sites about cars that there is a very good life hack, and you can repair or you can stop the windshield crack from spreading just by applying the nail polish over this crack. And it doesn't sound good. First of all, you need to know that the windshield consists of several layers, at least 3 layers, and you will have the crack in one of these layers or in 2 of these layers, and it's physically impossible that the nail polish, which is quite thick, will get into this crack and will, I don't know, glue it, or what should it do? It will not do anything good. So what you will do if you read the internet and apply this life hack on your windshield, you will lose your time, because the crack on the windshield is gonna spread. It's gonna spread whatever you do, unless you repair it. And there is a professional way to repair it. You may see that I have the crack on my windshield. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. This crack isn't going to spread because it was repaired. So there is a professional way to repair a crack in the windshield. And to cut the long story short, how they do it, they drill the windshield in the place where the crack ends, and after that the crack has no place to go further, and they just fill this hole that they drill with some composite material, and then you can drive for years and years without this crack spreading. Sometimes they will not catch this end of the crack correctly, and this crack will continue spreading. Then you need to go to these specialists again, and they will find eventually the end of the crack, drill it once more, and this will save your windshield from replacement. And if you try any DIY methods with nail polish or with whatever else, you will just lose your time and the crack will spread. And you should also know that if you have the crack in this area, it's illegal to drive your car and you will need to replace the windshield. So you never know where this crack on the windshield is gonna go, and you just need to repair it, to try and repair it, because repairing it costs 100 times less than replacing the windshield.